Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that can transform your movie nights and outdoor gatherings, the Mini Projector, a portable 1080p Bluetooth home theater solution. We found this product online and have added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what is this Mini Projector all about? This compact device supports 1080p Full HD resolution, with a native resolution of 720p. That means you'll experience clear and vibrant images that make children's movies, cartoons, and games come to life right before your eyes. One standout feature is its ability to maintain optimal picture quality without the need for manual brightness adjustments. This is particularly useful during outdoor movie nights when lighting conditions can vary. Now, let's talk about eye safety. This projector is equipped with eye protective technology, utilizing low blue light features and reflected imaging. This helps to reduce eye strain, especially during late-night viewing sessions, ensuring a safer experience for your little ones. Parents can rest easy knowing that they're providing a safe and enjoyable viewing experience. Another practical feature is the screen mirroring capability. It's incredibly easy to connect your devices to the projector. For Android users, simply use a micro USB or Type-C to HDMI adapter, while iPhone and iPad users will need a Lightning to HDMI adapter, which is sold separately. You can also plug in a TV stick for streaming services like Netflix and Hulu, allowing for HDCP-compliant streaming right from your projector. One of the most exciting aspects of this Mini Projector is its two-way Bluetooth functionality. With Bluetooth 5.1, you can connect external Bluetooth speakers for enhanced sound quality, or you can use the projector itself as a Bluetooth speaker to play your favorite music directly from your phone. This versatility makes it a great addition not just for movie nights, but also for parties or casual hangouts. Weighing in at just 0.7 kilograms, this projector is incredibly portable. It's easy to carry and set up, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. The projection size ranges from 40 to 120 inches, giving you the flexibility to create a captivating visual experience anywhere you choose. Noise can often be a concern with projectors, especially when you're trying to enjoy a film. Thankfully, this Mini Projector is designed with whisper quiet technology, operating silently for those cozy movie nights or bedtime viewings. Additionally, the built-in auto-off timer helps manage screen time effortlessly, which is a great feature for parents wanting to regulate their child's viewing habits. When it comes to connectivity, this projector includes USB 2.0 and HDMI 2.0 ports. This makes it easy to connect to various devices such as smartphones, TV sticks, gaming consoles like PS4 and PS5, tablets, and laptops. Whether you're hosting a movie night, gaming session, or a family gathering, this projector fits seamlessly into your plans. What about sound? The Mini Projector comes with built-in 5W high-powered stereo speakers, delivering rich and clear audio. This feature is perfect for smaller rooms, ensuring that everyone can enjoy powerful sound without needing additional speakers. Finally, the support doesn't stop once you purchase the projector. With 24/7 assistance, a 30-day replacement window, and a 2-year repair coverage, you can feel confident in your investment. Whether you're troubleshooting issues or optimizing your projector for gaming, the support team is ready to assist. In summary, the Mini Projector is a fantastic choice for families, movie lovers, and anyone looking to enhance their entertainment experience indoors or outdoors. It's portable, easy to use, and packed with features that cater to a variety of viewing needs. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.